YouTube Masterclass Series, Style Guide. Core Concept, a high-level educational series for creators called Money Mastery eBooks. Hackner 7, titles that get clicks. Your thumbnail stops the scroll, your title makes them click. Together, they determine your click-through rate. In Hack 6, we talked about thumbnails. Now let's talk titles. Your title has one job: make someone want to click. That's it. Everything else is secondary. Your title doesn't need to be clever, it doesn't need to be poetic, it doesn't need to win awards, it needs to make someone think, I need to watch this. Most creators write titles they think are interesting. Then they wonder why the video doesn't get clicks. The problem isn't the video, the problem is the title didn't make someone want to click. This is Hack 7. Here's the psychology of titles. What makes someone click? Element 1. Specificity. Vague titles don't get clicks. Specific titles do. Vague title, YouTube growth tips. Specific title, how I failed at 3 YouTube channels before hitting 100K on my 4th. Which gets more clicks? The specific one, because it makes someone curious. It promises a specific value. It speaks to a specific situation. Element 2, curiosity gap. Your title should create a gap between what someone knows and what they want to know. This gap makes them click to close it. Example, I discovered a flaw in the YouTube algorithm. This creates a gap. The viewer thinks, what's the flaw? I need to know. They click. Element 3, promise of value. Your title should promise that watching will make them better, smarter, richer, or happier. It should promise a payoff. Example, the one thing successful creators do differently. This promises value. If you watch, you'll learn what separates successful creators from struggling ones. That's worth your time. Element 4, emotional trigger. Does your title create emotion, urgency, fear, excitement, curiosity? Neutral title, channel setup guide. Emotional title, channel setup that converts viewers to subscribers. The emotional title creates urgency. Element 5, your angle, your unique perspective. Why is your title different from the 1,000 other videos on the same topic? Generic title, how to grow YouTube. Angle-based title, I failed at YouTube so many times. Here's what finally worked. Your angle is your story. It's your experience. It's what makes your title stand out from generic titles. Let's talk the curiosity gap in detail. This is the most powerful element. The curiosity gap is the space between what someone already knows and what they want to know. Your title should create this gap. The bigger the gap, the more likely they click. Example, this simple change doubled my views. This creates a gap. The viewer thinks, what change? I want to know. They click. Example, the algorithm changed in 2026. Here's what you need to know. Gap created. Viewers click to learn the change. Example, I found a loophole in YouTube system. Curiosity gap. Viewer clicks. The key is, your title should hint at the answer but not reveal it. If you reveal the entire answer in the title, there's no reason to click. The gap closes. Good title, 3 signals the algorithm watches. This hints at signals but doesn't name them. Bad title, click-through rate, retention, and viewer satisfaction are the 3 signals. This reveals the entire answer. Why click if you already know? Let's talk specificity versus generality. Generic title, YouTube growth strategies. This could describe 1,000 videos. Specific title, the 48-hour window that decides if your video grows or dies. This is specific. It references something concrete. Specificity works because it narrows the audience. It makes clear who the video is for. It filters out people who aren't interested and attracts people who are. Your title should be specific enough that your avatar recognizes it. Formula 1, the problem plus the solution. YouTube growth is hard. Here's the system that works. This names the problem and promises a solution. Formula 2, the mistake plus the correction. Most creators make this critical mistake. Here's how to fix it. This names a mistake and promises to correct it. Formula 3, the curiosity gap. I discovered something about the algorithm nobody talks about. Formula 4, the specific number. The 3 signals that decide your growth. Specific numbers work. They promise concrete information. Formula 5, the personal story. I failed at 3 YouTube channels. Here's what I learned. Viewers connect to your experience. Formula 6, the urgency or trend. YouTube changed the algorithm in 2026. Formula 7, the bold claim. This one change will double your views. Bold claims create curiosity and emotion. Let's talk keywords and SEO. Your title should include keywords people search for. If your video is about the algorithm, include YouTube algorithm, but include keywords naturally, don't keyword stuff. Good title. How the YouTube algorithm works in 2026, the complete breakdown. Bad title with forced keywords. YouTube algorithm. YouTube growth channel optimization. The good title includes keywords naturally. The bad title is unreadable. YouTube reads your title and your transcript. Let's talk testing titles. Most creators make one title and never test. Strategic creators test multiple variations and track which gets the highest CTR. Step 1, monitor CTR for 1 to 2 days. Step 2, change the title to a different version. Monitor CTR again. Step 3, compare. Step 4, keep the winner. Iterate. Change one element and test again. YouTube allows you to change titles without re-uploading. Example, version 1, YouTube growth strategies. CTR, 4.2%. Version 2, I failed at YouTube so I studied what works. CTR, 6.8%. Version 3, the system I used to hit 100K. CTR, 7.4%. Through testing, you've nearly doubled your CTR. Framework for high-click titles. Step 1, identify core message. Step 2, identify avatar's pain point. Step 3, write 5 title variations. Step 4, evaluate each. Step 5, test your favorite. Step 6, after 1 to 2 days, create a new variation. Step 7, compare CTR. Step 8, keep iterating. Over time, your titles get better. Let me give you real examples. Video topic, the 48-hour testing phase. Version 1, YouTube's testing phase explained. CTR, 3.8%. This is too generic. It could describe any video. Version 2, the 48-hour window that decides if your video grows or dies. CTR, 6.2%. This is specific. It creates urgency. It makes clear the stakes. Version 3 adds social proof. Version 3, most creators don't know about this. Here's why it matters. CTR, 7.1%. Version 4, I optimized and doubled my views. CTR, 7.5%. You've doubled your CTR through testing. Mistake 1, clickbait that doesn't deliver. Viewers watch 10 seconds and leave. Low retention kills growth. Your title should promise something your video actually delivers. Authentic curiosity is better than fake clickbait. Mistake 2, vague titles. Mistake 3, too long. YouTube cuts off titles after 60 characters on mobile. Mistake 4, no keywords. Mistake 5, no emotion. Neutral titles don't create curiosity. Mistake 6, no testing. Here's what happens when you optimize. Your CTR improves. YouTube shows your video to more people. More retention data is collected. If retention is strong, the algorithm escalates further, all because you optimized. The most important principle, your title and thumbnail are a team. They work together. A great thumbnail needs a great title to close the deal. If one is weak, the other can't carry it. Both need to be strong. Let's talk the angle one more time. Your angle is why someone should watch your video instead of 1,000 others. If your angle is I failed multiple times, include that. I failed 3 times. Here's why. My 4th channel hit 100K. If your angle is I studied the algorithm, include that. I analyzed 500 successful channels to find the pattern. Your angle in the title makes clear why this video is different. It's critical for standing out. Here's what you do right now. Step 1, identify core message. Step 2, identify avatar's pain point. Step 3, write 5 title variations. Step 4, pick your strongest. Step 5, monitor CTR. Step 6, create a new variation. Step 7, compare CTR. Step 8, keep the winner. Iterate. Your title is your second sales pitch. Thumbnail is the first. Together, they determine whether someone clicks. A title that creates curiosity. A title that promises value. That's a title that gets clicks. In Hack 8, we talk about retention. Subscribe so you get it. See you in the next one.